Very good morning to all of you. Let us start one extra question based on the same concept we have discussed yesterday. A man hires an auto rickshaw to cover a certain distance. Man hires an auto rickshaw to cover a certain distance. The fare is rupees 10 for the first kilometer and rupees 7 for the subsequent distance. So first of all, two things we have to choose and we have to assign the two variables to those particular things. So he is talking about the distance and the fare. So we will take one variable to be the distance and one variable to be the fare. Let us take x to be the total distance covered and y to be the total fare. So let the total distance be x kilometer and total fare to be y kilometer. Total distance हमने x किलोमीटर ले लिया और total fare हमारा हो गया y किलोमीटर. He says for the first 2 kilometers, this time in the question that is in our book, that is fixed for 1 kilometer. For first kilometer the fare is fixed. But in this question he says that for the first 2 kilometers the fare is rupees 20. First 2 kilometers. Fare for first 2 kilometer is equal to rupees 20, and for the subsequent distance this fare is, for the subsequent distance the fare is rupees 7 per kilometer. Now if we have the total distance to be x kilometer and out of those x kilometer 2 kilometers have been excluded, what will be the subsequent distance? Bolo fir. X kilometer is the total distance and 2 kilometer is excluded. What will be the subsequent? X minus 2. Naturally, if there is total distance of 10 kilometer, 2 is excluded, then subsequent is 8. Yesterday we have discussed the same, right? If the total distance is 100 kilometer, 2 kilometer is excluded, then 98 kilometer. So if the total distance is x and 2 kilometer के बारे में बात हो चुकी है, तो how much will be left? X minus 2. So fare for the first 2 kilometer is 20 and for the subsequent distance the fare is rupees 5 per kilometer. ठीक है, जो बचा हुआ distance है x minus 2 बचा, total x में से 2 किलोमीटर गया तो बचा कितना? X minus 2. For this x minus 2, how the fare is charged? Rupees 5 per kilometer. So we will write fare for x minus 2 kilometers at the rate of rupees 5 per kilometer. Hanji Ravneet, how much it will become? X minus 2 kilometers are left and for per kilometer rupees 5. तो कितना होगा ये? बिल्कुल. If we are having 9 kilometer total distance, per kilometer is 5, then 9 into 5, 45 rupees, right? इसी तरह से if we are having x minus 2 kilometer per kilometer is 5, then the money, the fare charge will be x minus 2 into 5, right? Now we have chosen the total fare to be y, so we'll write total fare किधर rupees, ठीक है, हाँ. Total fare is y. So total fare, it will be two things will be added in the total fare. What will be the addition? What two things will be added? That fare for the first 2 kilometer, that is rupees 20. It will be added to the subsequent distance fare, that is this, equal to y. So this is 20 plus 5x minus 10 equal to y, and further equal to 5x plus 10 equal to y. So we are having the relation between x and y here, 5x plus 10 equal to y, right? So question can be asked that after getting the equation between x and y, we are getting the equation like y is equal to 5x plus 10, where y is the fare and x is the distance. It could be asked that if the distance traveled is 5 kilometer, then find the fare. So what it means? It means when x is equal to 5, find the value of y. जब आपके पास x 5 है तो y की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. So let us put x to be 5. This will be 25 plus 10 and that is equal to 35. So this is all about this question. Same I have written y is equal to 5x plus 10. Journal form, no need. He says that write it in the two variables. We have written it in the two variables, right? So we are having 35 to be the answer. If x we are taking it to be 2, that is for 2 kilometer, how much fare we have to pay? 35 rupees. If we are traveling 2 kilometer, how much money we have to pay? 35 rupees, right? Let us start with the next concept. Line parallel to x-axis. So we have done certain equation of the lines which are parallel to x-axis and which are parallel to y-axis. Suppose we are having y is equal to 3. We want to find the geometrical representation of y equal to 3 in two variables. Two variables में हम y equal to 3 की equation find करना चाहते हैं. That means if we want to find its equation in two variable, this equation should seems to be in two variable, but it is only in the one variable. We want to see that what geometrically it represents. We want to draw its graph, and if we want to draw its graph, what we need? We need points. Points, and every point have must have two coordinates. Which two coordinates? X coordinate and y coordinate. But as the equation is only in terms of y, so how we can generate the points, how we can generate the x coordinate out of the equation which is involving only y. जिस equation में सिर्फ y है, उस equation में से हम points कैसे generate करें? This is the question. Our target is to draw its graph, to see its geometrical representation, that what graphically it is representing. For that we need points, and for points we need x coordinate and y coordinate. But the thing is, problem is that this question is consisting only y. From where we get x and see it to be in two variables. Suppose so many people are sitting in the room and they are asking me that how much money you are having in your account, and I will say that this much money I am having in my account. So people will be so impressed from me that the person is very rich. Okay? But I don't have anything in my account. What I will do after that when the people will go? I will just put, so how much money I am having? 0 rupees. Na? So इसका मतलब ये है that we have to introduce x in such a way that it comes in the equation and it cause no loss and no profit to the equation. So मैथ्स वालों के पास एक तरीका होता है कि हम एंटर भी करवा दें चीज को और उससे कोई फर्क भी ना हो. तो देखें जरा how x will enter in this equation. If I want to introduce x in this equation, I can put like 0 into x plus y equal to 3. So this is the very appropriate way to introduce x in this equation, because in this way x will be introduced, but there will be no loss, no profit to this equation, because we know that 0 into x is always equal to 0. कोई इससे नुकसान नहीं हुआ हमें, ना ही कोई फायदा हुआ. It just relies our motive that this becomes the linear equation in two variables. Because whenever we have to draw graph, we need both x and y. Only then the graph of the equation can be drawn. Right? Now let us have points to plot its graph. So we need points so that we can plot the graph of the equation. See, x, y. So we have to assign the values to one of the variable, either to x or to y, and we get the value of the another variable, and this way we will get the points. Now the thing is, to which variable the point, the value should be assigned? जिसको हम अपने घर पे इनवाइट करते हैं, द पीपल हु आर इनवाइटेड टू आवर हाउस, वी गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू देम। जो घर पे बैठे होते हैं, घर पे जब कोई गेस्ट आते हैं तो मम्मा कहते हैं ना आप लोगों को बाद में मिलेंगे समोसे खाने के लिए, पहले जो आए हैं पहले उनको दे दो, ठीक है, फिर जो बच जाते हैं हम कहते हैं कि चलो इतने बच गए अब हम खाएंगे, राइट ना। सो पीपल हु आर विजिटिंग आवर हाउस वी हैव टू गिव रिस्पेक्ट टू देम, राइट। सो इट मीन्स एक्स, वी हैव इन्वाइटेड एक्स, एक्स को हमने खुद इन्वाइट किया है, तो वैल्यूज which will be assigned to the variable that will be given to x only। अब ये वैल्यूज हम x की पुट करेंगे। let us give x, सबसे पहले x हमारे घर आया, हमने इसको जूस प्रोवाइड किया, ठीक है, y जहां बैठा था वहां बैठा रहा, 3 रहेगा, x को 0 पुट करो, y 3 हो गया। जूस के बाद हमने इसको कुछ स्नैक्स प्रोवाइड किए, x1, तब भी y 3 रहा क्योंकि समथिंग इनटू 0 0, ठीक है। उसके बाद हमने थोड़ा बहुत उसको लंच वगैरह प्रोवाइड किया, सो x2 y3 एंड देन वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग him some dessert, that means x3 y3। that means you have to keep in mind that when we are drawing the graph of such equation in which x y one of them is missing, we will assign the value to that variable which we are inviting ourselves, जिसको हम खुद इनवाइट कर रहे हैं उसको हमने वैल्यू जो है assign कर दी। now we are getting the points, let us plot these points and see what kind of graph we are getting। x dash y dash, this is 1 0 1 2 3, this is 1 2 3 maximum value। so the points that I am going to plot are 0 3, that means starting with 0 going up to 3, 1 3 2 3 3 3, and this we are getting as y is equal to 3। so what we are observing after plotting, after drawing the graph of y is equal to 3, we observe that y is equal to 3 is a line which is parallel to x-axis and is at a distance of how much unit from x-axis? 3 units from x-axis। so y is equal to 3, देखो लाइन y वाली है पर पैरेलल किसकी आई है, किस एक्सिस के पैरेलल आई है, x axis के। this is the way to remember that if line is in terms of y, it will be parallel to x axis and whatever constant will be there, it will be at a distance of that much distance, it will be parallel to the x axis, right। suppose instead of having y equal to 3, I am having y equal to -3, then no difference will be there, you just have the line below, आपके पास ये लाइन जो है वो below आ जाए, that means y is equal to -3 is a line which is again parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 unit। distance उतना ही रहेगा, distance can never be negative, आप ये नहीं कह सकते at a distance of -3 unit, you will say at a distance of 3 unit, but this minus sign indicates, that this line now it doesn't lie above x-axis, it lies below x-axis। so y is equal to -3 is a line which is parallel to x-axis at a distance of 3 units and below it। so two types of line you have done, y is equal to 3 parallel to x-axis above and parallel to x-axis below। that means y, if it is equating to any constant 5 6 7 8 9 10 100 101 200 whatever, -200 -5 -20 माइनस जो भी कांस्टेंट y किसी कांस्टेंट के जब इक्वल आ जाएगा, then definitely that will represent a line which is parallel to x-axis, and if we are talking about the distance, at the same distance which with the constant which we are having in the equation, ठीक है। so this is the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 in 2 variables, ठीक है। so यहाँ से आपको पता चल गया कि लाइन, suppose I am having y equal to 0, y equal to 0 suppose, तो अब मैं इसको ऐसे करती हूँ, x मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस किया, x की वैल्यूज पुट करो, x0 y0 x1 y0 x2 y0 x3 y0, सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर दिया x को, बिकॉज x इज बीइंग इनवाइटेड बाय अस, सो वी विल ऑनर x, वी विल प्रोवाइड एवरीथिंग टू x। हमने x को सारी खाने पीने की चीजें जो है प्रोवाइड करनी है, और y बेचारा वहीं पे बैठा देखता रहेगा मुंह की तरफ, जैसे 0 ही रही वैल्यू, ठीक है। तो देखिए जरा प्लॉट करें इसको। x डैश y डैश 0 1 2 3। चलिए वैल्यूज देखते हैं। x0 y0, x1 y अगेन 0, x2। देखो जब हम किसी भी पॉइंट को प्लॉट करते हैं y एक्सिस की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, जितना y होता है उतना ऊपर चले जाते हैं, उतना y एक्सिस की तरफ बढ़ जाते हैं। बट अगर y है ही 0, इट मीन्स वी कांट मूव टू द y एक्सिस, हम जा ही नहीं सकते, जहां बैठे हैं वही रहेंगे। सो दिस इज 2 0 1 0, दिस इज 2 0 एंड दिस इज 3 0। ये आया हमारे पास y इक्वल टू 0। दैट मीन्स y is equal to 0 is same as x-axis. So what we are observing, that when we are drawing y equal to 0, it is nothing but the same line as our horizontal axis, that is x-axis. So if someone is asking you what is the equation of x-axis, your answer will be y equal to 0. This is the equation of x-axis. This result we have derived through this concept parallel lines, that y is equal to 0 is an equation of x-axis, right? Am I clear? चलिए, suppose he says that what y is equal to 3 represent in one variable. अगर हम one variable की बात करें तो y equal to 3, what it will represent? It will just simply represent a number on the number line. Just see, let us draw a line having arrow on the both sides, 0, 1, 2, 3. How you will represent it? Here y is equal to 3 represent a number on the number line as shown by the letter A in the figure. So जो फिगर में मैंने लेटर A के साथ ई पॉइंट को डिनोट किया, that is the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 in how many variables? In one variable, right? चलिए, this is all about line parallel to x-axis. Let us start the concept with line parallel to y-axis. So equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. अब आई बात y-axis की, line parallel to y-axis. Suppose we are having x is equal to 4 and we want to have its geometrical representation in two variables. We want that it should be represented in two variables, right? So what to do to represent it in two variables? Second variable is to be introduced, and we know the method. How the second variable y will be introduced? By multiplying it with 0, because it will not cause any damage or any profit to our given equation. So I introduce y by multiplying it with 0. Now again the same concept we are following, that we have to draw the graph. That means we need points, and for points we have to make the table. So let us make the table. Now which one is VIP, x or y? सोच लो, इसमें कौन VIP बंदा है, कौन गेस्ट है, किसको हमने इनवाइट किया है? मीत किसको इनवाइट किया हमने? x तो हमारे, y is inviting, no, invited. So हमने y को इनवाइट किया है. That means we will assign we will provide the eating material, the eatables to which. जी, ये खुद ही खा जाती है, घर पे कोई आता है तो गेस्ट को नहीं, गेस्ट को पहले खिलाते हैं. विनीत कहती नहीं जी, पहले तो मैंने तो खुद खाना होता है, फिर गेस्ट की बारी आती है. बच्चे, वी हैव टू एंटरटेन द गेस्ट फर्स्ट, राइट? सो ये गेस्ट है हमारा y की वैल्यू 0, x4, y1, x4, y2, x4, y3, x4. Whatever you are providing to y, x will least to bother. उसको बोल दिया जाता है कि आप किचन में रहना, जब गेस्ट चले जाएंगे तब आना बाहर. जब बोला जाता है कि आप पढ़ लो, बाद में खा पी लेना, या कहा जाता है कि आप बैठ जाना और क्या कह देना, अभी हमने नाश्ता किया है, ऐसे सच एज लाइक हमने तो अभी ब्रेकफास्ट किया, हम नहीं खाएंगे, हम बाद में हम चाहे टूट पड़ेंगे पेट में, ठीक है? सो ये हमारा टेबल बन गया. लेट अस ड्रॉ द ग्राफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टेबल. x, x dash, y, y dash. x की वैल्यू it varies from 1 to 4. Even y varies from 1 to 4. Whether we have chosen the values of the y first and getting the value of x, but when we are plotting the points, we look at the which variable first. We look at the which x coordinate, na? So x4 y0. ये रहा x4 and y0. Then x4 y1, x4 y2, x4 y3, whatever. So this is a line. So we see that we are getting x is equal to 4 as a line which is parallel to y-axis. So if the line is in term of x, then it will be parallel to y-axis. And at how much distance it is parallel to y-axis? How much distance away? 4 units away. And if x is equal to -4, then definitely this line will lie लेफ्ट टू वाई एक्सिस में राइट लेफ्ट का चक्कर होता है, डिस्टेंस 4 यूनिट रहेगा. वाई एक्सिस में राइट लेफ्ट का चक्कर होता है, एंड एक्स एक्सिस में इट इज अबाउट अबव एंड बिलो. सो वी आर हैविंग x is equal to -4, same line parallel to y axis at a distance of 4 unit, but doesn't lie on the right side while it is lying on the left side, right? So if someone is asking you what is the geometrical representation of x is equal to 4 in two variables, you will draw and you will write as well that in two variables x is equal to 4, it represents a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of 4 unit from it, and -4 same in the case of -4 parallel to y axis but doesn't lie on the right, lies on the left side. Right? If I am talking about in one variable, then same answer will be there, that in one variable it represent a number on number line. Suppose instead of 4, 3, 2 any constant, I am taking this distance to be 0. Suppose I am taking x equal to 0. Drawing it in two variable, 0 into y equal to 0. Y is honored here. We invite y at our home. So y will be provided the eatables first. उसको डिशेस दी जाएंगी. ये नहीं पहले आप खा खा के जो बच गया कहो कि जैसे 2 सब्जियां बनाएंगे, कहो कि आपके लिए बनाई तो 2 थी पर बची एक है, एक हम खा गए. ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना. फर्स्टली वी गिव इट टू द गेस्ट. सो y वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस. सो y की वैल्यू y0 x0, y1 x0, y2 x0, y3 x0. Let us plot it. We are having x, x dash, y, y dash. So 1, 2, 3. x0, y0, right? x0, y1. ये 1, 2, 3. y की वैल्यूज ऊपर की तरफ है. x कहता है कि 0 पे खड़ा रहेगा और y की वैल्यूज ऊपर की तरफ इंक्रीज होती जाएंगी. x0, y0, x0, y1, x0, y2, x0, y3, and this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Speak up. It is y-axis itself, not lies on y-axis, right? So we see that x is equal to 0 is nothing but our already familiar, already known y-axis. So what is the, if someone is asking you what is the equation of y-axis, you will say x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, right? So from here we conclude that we have learned the 4 things, that what kind of line will be parallel to x-axis and what will be the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis, and what is the equation of x-axis and what is the equation of y-axis. These four very important answer we find out after doing this much result, right? So याद रखना है आपने, x is equal to a, x is equal to minus a, y is equal to b, y is equal to minus b, x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. But they represent geometrically in two variables. These, देखो, the lines which are in terms of x will be parallel to y-axis, and lines which are in terms of y will be parallel to x-axis. And if x equal to 0, that will be the equation of y-axis. We have to think in the opposite way. And if y equal to 0, then it will be the line parallel to x-axis, right? And distance a unit above x-axis, x equal to a, y-axis के parallel है, तो right पे होगी के left के? रवनीत, x equal to a, y-axis के right पे होगा कि left पे? a positive है, right पे, and minus a, and y equal to b, x axis के parallel है, above positive sign के साथ, and minus b below. What about x equal to 0? What is x equal to 0? पता नहीं क्यों हुआ. Equation of y axis. What is x equal to 0? And what is y equal to 0? आपको याद है जब हमने कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री की थी, then I have told you that on x axis y equal to 0. So what is equation of x axis? Y equal to 0. ठीक है. On y axis x is equal to 0. So equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. चलिए let us do one question of the same sort. टू एक्स प्लस 1 equal to x minus 3. This is the question. He says find its geometrical representation. Find the solution. First of all, solve it and find the solution. Then give the geometrical representation of the solution as in one variable and in two variable. So firstly, we have to solve this equation. How to solve? As we solve the linear equation, combining the variables aside, x, 2x minus x, minus 3, minus 1, right? So this is x equal to minus 4. So we are getting x is equal to minus 4. And देखो, as we have learned it, no doubt in exam we will make and we will write accordingly. But as we have learned it, so just by observing it, by looking at it carefully, we can say that what kind of line x is equal to minus 4 is. So let me ask it from Harshdeep. Harshdeep, unmute yourself. Harshdeep Kaur. Yes, Harshdeep. Harshdeep Kaur, unmute yourself. Samiksha. Samiksha. Samiksha, unmute yourself. Kanishka. Kanishka. Nobody wants to talk to me, ना कोई बात.
Yes, ma'am.
ये कौन बोला अभी?
Arman.
Arman is always ready to give the answer. चलिए Arman, you tell then. Without drawing, you tell me that what x is equal to minus 4 represent in two variables.
Y is parallel to the x-axis.
I am saying what x is equal to minus 4 represent in two variables.
Yes, ma'am.
Equals to minus 4. Ma'am, Y will be as the guest.
No, you don't tell me the method. Just simply tell me that what this will represent in two variables. Right now we have done and और अभी भी आप बता नहीं पा रहे हो.
I'm not understanding.
कैसी लाइन होगी ये? क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगी टू वेरिएबल में? टेल मी. पलक.
Yes, ma'am.
Horizontal line
कैसी
parallel
लाइन
to.
आएगी? हॉरिजॉन्टल वर्टिकल की बात नहीं मैं कर रही।
Yes, ma'am.
Palak, you speak x is equal to -4 represent what kind of line in two variables?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Speak up, बच्चे, speak loudly. Voice is not audible at all. Divita, Kanishka, I am offering you to unmute yourself. You are not unmuting yourself. You are raising hand but unmute नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप अपने। हाँ जी बोलो कनिष्का।
Yes, ma'am.
Speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
Not audible at all. Divita,
Ma'am, am I audible?
Divita,
Ma'am, am I audible?
मुझे आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है आपकी।
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes. No, not audible at all. कनिष्का आप भी नहीं सुनी नहीं पा रही आपको। भावना,
Yes, ma'am.
भावना x is equal to -4 what it will represent in two variables?
Ma'am, in two variables, it will represent a straight line parallel to y-axis and left and on the left of y.
And to the left side of it. बिल्कुल ठीक। x is equal to -4 in two variable will represent a line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 unit and it lies left to it. So Arman, it should be very clear to you after doing the question thoroughly, after telling you it thoroughly, you are not able to tell me that what kind of line it is. Where is Arman? इन्हें पूछे जरा अरमान को, मेरे को मेथड बता रहा है कि ये कर लो वो कर लो। I can't see him. Arman is not visible at all. Yes. Arman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
मैम वो एक्चुअली मेरे को बताना नहीं आ रहा था, मेरे माइंड में यही चल रहा था, बताना नहीं आ रहा था।
अच्छा, माइंड में यही चल रहा था। जैसे पेपर में अगर हमारा कोई क्वेश्चन गलत हो जाए हम कहते हैं कि माइंड में तो सही चल रहा था ना, पेपर में गलत हो गया। बच्चे पेपर में वट एवर यू विल डू दैट विल बी इवैल्यूएटेड। माइंड में क्या चल रहा है नोबडी नोज। चलो एनी हाउ, आई होप दैट नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई विल आस्क यू द सेम क्वेश्चन यू विल गिव मी द राइट आंसर।
यस मैम।
चलिए, यस। So this was Arman of 9th A who was saying that दिमाग में ठीक चल रहा था but बता नहीं पाया। Anyhow, yes. So now देखो, as I have told you that without drawing you can tell, as Bhavna has told that x is equal to -4 will be line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 4 unit and it lies to the left side of y-axis. But what is a method to draw it? In exam you have to show it that how it's been drawn. So introduce y, 0 into y करके आपने इसको introduce कर दिया, right? Then same, make a table. Now y is our guest. We have invited y ourselves, so we will provide the things to y, and x will just sit in the corner and wait for the call कि आ जाओ भी guest चले गए, खा पी लो अब आप भी. So y is 0, x minus 4, y1, x minus 4, y2, x minus 4, y3, x minus 4. So let us plot it. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3. चलिए, x minus 4, y 0. x minus 4, y 0. x minus 4, y 1. x minus 4, y 2. x minus 4, y 3. x की वैल्यू यहाँ से x एक्सिस से, y की वैल्यू y एक्सिस से लेते हुए -4 0 यहीं पे रह गए, -4 1 यहाँ पे आए, -4 2 come to this point, -4 3 coming to this point, and let us draw this line, and this is x is equal to -4. Now you can see that it is definitely we are getting it to be parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 4 unit, and it lies not to the right side but it lies to the left side of y-axis, as we are having negative sign in front of it. And at how much distance it is lying, how much distance away it lying from the y-axis? 4 units. So this is a concept that you have to keep in mind. चलिए let us do one more question of the same type. Draw the graph of the linear equation. Draw the graph of the linear equation 3x plus 4y equal to 6. He says इसका graph draw करो. And one more question he is introducing, that also find the points where the graph of this equation meets x-axis as well as y-axis. Chaliye, let me tell you that how to do this. Putting the value of x, getting the value of y is the way to make the table to draw the graph of an equation, right? That means we will put the value of x and get the value of y. So let us separate y. 4y equal to 6 minus 3x, right? So y is equal to 6 minus 3x over 4. We will continue tomorrow as the scheduled time period is over. So here I am going to end the meeting.